Hey, welcome to the Paige Family Homestead. Today, I'm here to show you how to make your own cake flour. Why pay those extraordinary prices? And how often do you use it? You have everything in your home, in your kitchen right now to make it. All we need is all-purpose flour, cornstarch. Come on, we'll show you how. Now, to make it, rather than pay the outrageous prices, you need 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. And if you want to get a true measure of 1 cup, not weight, but by measure, you want to fill your measuring cup. Don't scoop your measuring cup inside and then just cast off. So we have our 1 cup. Now we're going to remove 2 tablespoons of flour, measured. Put it back. When you see how pathetically easy this is, and measure, remove, and put it back. Now darn, we were not on camera when I did this, so I'm doing it again for you. Replace the gluten that we've just removed from this measure. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I want a true measure here. Now, what we've done is we've removed some of the gluten from that measure of flour, and we've replaced it with a tenderizer. That's it. That's the ingredients put together. How hard was that? Now all we do is sift 3 to 5 times to make sure that all the different molecules are surrounded by one another. I can my flour, so you quite often will see that in there. Just have to sift it out. Hey, Andy.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay, so that's one way. Now we're going to sift the other. And this will result in such a nice project. Your cake, pastries.
Hi, hon.
That's 2. And this stuff's expensive in the store. They make it ready-made for you for your convenience because of this trouble. Big trouble. How hard is this? Right? I now have 1 cup of what you buy in the store for cake flour. I have it right here. With stuff we already had in the kitchen and no disgusting cost to make it. There we go. How wonderful is that? So, what kind of cake did we make with our new flour? A dehydrated ingredient cake that you'll see the video for on Thursday or Friday this week. Made this for Andy. Cranberry, citrus, cheese cake. Oh my word. Now, I could have made this with all-purpose flour, but why wouldn't I want to pimp it up even more? It's still warm. Oh, those cranberries look so good. It's so moist. Oh, it's so good. Wait till Andy gets this. Remember, make your own. It's not hard to do. So I asked Andy to let the girls out to go to the bathroom and babysit them because the mean girls are in town.
Oh. Now watch this.
There's a few that are just in love with Andy.
There we go. There we go.
Aww.
There we go.
Aww.
There we go. Look at Suki. What do I got, Suki?
Oh no, she's got your daddy.